Hey Harmony families, my name is Christina Holsey and I've been a kindergarten teacher for the past 4 years, and this year I get to work with kindergarten students, and the staff and I just want to welcome you guys to Harmony Elementary School. We are so excited to have you, and I'm creating this video to show you guys how to log into eClass to make the digital learning experience easier to access. Okay, so here's the website. You go to Harmony's webpage. If you follow my cursor, here it is right here, gcpsk12.org/harmonyes. So once you go to that, you're going to scroll to the bottom of your page and you're going to click on eClass, which is right here. So once you click on My eClass, it's going to bring you to here. So the three kindergarten teachers are Mrs. Branch, Mrs. Tidwell, and Mrs. Gruber. And what's really neat is that all of us do the same thing. So I'm going to click on Mrs. Branch's page, but it's going to be the same thing if your child is in Mrs. Tidwell or Mrs. Gruber. Here is Mrs. Branch's page. So if your child was in Gruber or Tidwell, you would click on Gruber or Tidwell. Okay. So once you get here, this is the screen that you're going to see. And it's going to be very organized because you're going to see Meet the Teacher. And when you click on that, you can learn all about your kindergarten teacher. So this is about Mrs. Branch. There's also a daily schedule. Okay. So in grades K through 5, we always have morning meeting, and morning meeting builds community. So sometimes parents, you can jump on into morning meeting as well. You can also hear your child singing sometimes, and we do songs, sometimes dancing. It's going to be a lot of fun. And what's really cool about Harmony Elementary is that we are a PBIS school, which stands for Positive Behavior Intervention System. So your child right away is going to be learning the 3 R's that we teach explicitly in the classroom, which is being respectful, being responsible, and being a role model. Another thing that is going to happen during morning meeting is that teachers are going to highlight students working hard, students not giving up. Also in kindergarten, your child is going to learn a ton about growth mindset. We believe at Harmony that mistakes are a good thing. They make the brain grow. All right, so next you'll see on the kindergarten schedule is that there is going to be a reading mini lesson. So during reading workshop, there is a 10-minute read aloud. Okay, so pretty much from 9:30 to 9:40, your kindergarten's teacher is going to read a book, and it's going to be a read aloud. And then there's going to be a 10-minute mini lesson, and then your child is going to be on a Zoom, and they're going to do breakout sessions, and your child gets to do Raz Kids, which is a really good educational program that your child can pick any book they want to. Inside this program, it is kid-friendly, and it is safe, and they can read the books that they choose. We believe, especially in kindergarten, that student choice is key. All right, so next, your child is going to take a break from 10:30 to 11 o'clock. And they can do whatever they want for those 30 minutes because we know that they are in kindergarten and they definitely could use a break after being on the computer from 9 to 10:30. So they're going to come back on at 11 o'clock, and there is going to be a math mini lesson and small groups. Okay, so the math workshop is designed just like reading workshop. There is a 10-minute mini lesson, so 11 o'clock to 11:10, there is a mini lesson, and then there is going to be small group work. Another really good program that Mr. Day, our principal, has adopted is called Math Seeds. And on Math Seeds, it's really good because this program uses gamification and leveling up based on your child's needs. So your child's going to take a placement test on Math Seeds. And don't worry, you're going to get the login for everything for Raz Kids and Math Seeds. And it's probably going to be the same login information. And they can take a placement test. And this placement test allows them to start at a certain level. okay? And many times after the teacher teaches the mini lesson, they might be assigned a lesson that went right with the mini lesson so they can continue what they had just learned. And also students really, really like Math Seed. So that's the feedback that we've been getting for a while now. Okay, so then at 12:15 to 1:20 is lunch and break. Students are on their own, they're doing lunch, and they're having a break because, again, this is kindergarten, and they need a break after being on the computer for a long time. All right, so then comes specials from 1:20 to 2:05. And during specials time, they actually are going to be assigned for just 2 days. So it could be the specials teachers might just give out a project for that week and say, okay, just finish it in 2 days. And so they really just have to do that for 2 days. All right, and then there is writing workshop as well. And your child's going to learn handwriting, and they're going to learn letter formation, and then they're going to start writing stories. So I want to show you guys, kindergarten parents, what went home recently so that you can better understand what to do at home and what all this is. So this is the reading bag, okay? And in it is flashcards to help. So let's say if your child does not recognize letters or sounds right now, you can start with the flashcards to help them. So this is A, B, C, D, E, and you can cut this out if you want to, and they can start learning the letters of the alphabet. Let's say your child knows the alphabet, they can then go on to sight words. Okay, so there's that differentiation piece that if they already know something, there's the next thing to work on. And once they master this, then they can go on to sight words. All right, then there's this alphabet linking chart. And this is going to come handy not only during reading workshop, but writing workshop as well. Because they can look at this and figure out how to stretch words based on the pictures. Because what we've noticed is that students can write words even if they don't know the letters of the alphabet or sounds yet, just by looking at the pictures and stretching out the word. For example, cat. They could say, oh, that's a K for cat, and an A for apple, T for turtle, cat. Yep, those must be the letters. So this is going to help them a lot. There's a reason it's laminated. Okay, and finally, reading to someone is always important, but all of your home lives might look different right now, and we understand that. So, to try to make it easier and especially more fun for kids, the kindergarten teachers put this to go home for all of the students for them to read to them. All right, so that's the reading bag. Now I'm going to go over the math bag. This is called a 10 frame. And this is the 10 frame work map. So in kindergarten, students start off by counting and using this 10 frame. And all it is just placing things on it to count, to help them count and sort. Also supplied in the math bag is a double 10 frame. And then we know that students learn through play. So to keep engagement high, we even have bears inside of it to try to really capture their attention. So this is really fun to count with. My son loved counting with these. But like I said earlier, we leave in student choice. So there's also cubes for them to count and start learning numbers, and little counters that are different colors. So they'll have a lot of stuff to play with and do during math time. All right, and then finally is the writing. Now this is what went home for writing. All of you that came to Harmony received this. So for handwriting, we know that fine motor is very important. So we are having all the students begin with swirls. So they start at the dot, and they stay on the line, and if they do a pretty good job with this, then they get to move on. Also, what is supplied in here is writing paper. We want students to draw lots of illustrations. Illustrations, those pictures, are so important, and at the very beginning of kindergarten, they already start labeling. So they do a ton of pictures, and then at the beginning, they'll start labeling. And what's going to help them label is the alphabet linking chart that I showed you guys earlier. During writing time, I want students to have this out too, the alphabet Lincoln chart, and that's going to help them stretch out words for their labels, and then they'll begin to get more comfortable developing words, which then turn into sentences. We hope we supplied y'all a lot of great, information. I know it's a lot, but I hope this made it easier for you guys. And the kindergarten teachers really do care, and they're excited to get to know your child. We all are. So I hope this helped you. And then just a few more things I'm going to show y'all is there's class expectations right here. I'm back on the e-class page that you can click on. And this goes over online class do's, online class don'ts. And again, we have pictures so that students can better understand what it's saying. And then there's also a small group schedule and past lessons. If your child missed a lesson, information requests. I love this one because you can send your teacher an information request if you have a concern or if you want your teacher to know something. This goes only to the homeroom teacher, and you can even write how you want to be contacted, whether it's email or phone, and then what the concern is or what that teacher can help you with, and that goes straight to the teacher as well, because we want all students to be successful, okay? And communication is key. So please use that information request form as well so we can help. All right, and then finally there is this week's lessons. And this is pretty fun right here, the photo bulletin. So if you want to submit a picture, whether it is of your child doing something academically related or not academically related, please send a picture of your child because we would love to see it. We are trying to build Harmony Spirit, whether it is in person or online, and this would be a great way to keep up with what students are doing at home. So parents, thank you for your support. I know it is going to be a great year. The kindergarten team and I are so excited to work with you guys. And again, the kindergarten teachers here are here to help you. So I hope this makes your digital learning experience more enjoyable.